Don't touch my hair.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia, and in today's video I decided to do something, I always say that, I know, a little different. I'm adding even more color to my hair, but it's not permanent color, it is a temporary color, okay? As you can see, hopefully the light is doing this justice. I decided to try this purple vibrant color in my hair, and if you don't know, my hair color is dark brown, blackish, more dark brown, and I just wanted to do something a little edgy, a little different. I usually go with the bronze type of hair color, temporary colors, or like the brownish colors, but I've decided to step out of my comfort zone once again to try this color in my natural hair. And if you don't know, I do love supporting black businesses, and this hair color comes from a company called Pop Curl, all right? And this is the owner right here. She's the founder of this company. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And the products that they offer are vegan free. They are healthy and safe for the hair. And this hair color will wash out after one wash. All right, yeah, I do not want to ramble on for too much, but if you are here for the very first time, welcome. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can see my uploads and keep up with me on YouTube and also all of my social media handles, Instagram, Snapchat. You guys already know the drill. All right, so if you want to see exactly what I did to achieve this bomb hair and also this vibrant bomb hair color, just keep on watching. Alright guys, I know I look a little crazy, okay, but I literally just got out the shower, washed my hair, and also deep conditioned my hair. My hair is so soft right now. You know, it may not look like it, but it really is soft, y'all, okay? I am going to apply the color on damp hair because that's what the instructions say. Let me read exactly what it says. First off, this is what it looks like. This is what it comes in. Okay, I was sent two colors. I was sent this purple rain color. I like the name of it, Purple Rain. I love this color, y'all. Smells good. Smells good, smells good. This is what it looks like. I don't want it to drip. Looks like a gel-like consistency. And the instructions say in order to use this, you have to rake and smooth on damp hair from ends to roots over your favorite leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna apply a leave-in conditioner like it says to do, and today I'm going to use Diva Curl's Leave-In Decadence leave-in conditioner. I've been really loving this conditioner lately. I do have a video of this. I'll link it in my description box so you can check it out. So this company also sent me the Copper Fire color. I also really love this color, but I'm gonna save this color for another time. But this is bomb. What? I cannot wait to try this. And I know it matters for some people. This is a vegan product. Oh, it has aloe vera juice as one of the ingredients. Nice. Avocado oil, castor oil. So this looks like not only will it add temporary color, but it looks like it's healthy for the hair too. So I'm gonna start with this back section right here. And I have my water bottle just in case my hair starts to dry up. Shrinkage is real. You guys already know the drill, right? Yeah. I'm gonna apply some leave-in conditioner like the product said to do. So I'm assuming that the product is gonna distribute color into my strands and also be like a styling product. I think this will be my styling product because it says to only put in a leave-in conditioner. I just like to make sure all of my strands are coated, especially the ends, right, with the leave-in conditioner. Are these little puffs cute? Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna section my hair. I'm gonna work in smaller sections and start to distribute the product, the color. Okay, gonna take this much. I'm not even sure if this is enough or not, but we'll see. I'll just make sure that all my strands are coated with the color. Ooh. Yeah, I can already tell that this is like a gel-like consistency, and it will serve as a holding product along with distributing color. So you get to knock two birds with one stone, right? Is that how you say it? Knock two, yeah, I think, I hope. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I sure can. Ooh, okay. Am I applying too much? Was I supposed to apply this with gloves? I don't even know. But it is staining my hands, but I think that'll wash away, right? I'll keep you guys posted. All right, so now I am going to two-strand twist like I normally do. Maybe I shouldn't have wore a white shirt, but Yeah, this shirt is not that important to me, so if you decide to apply to any temporary color, make sure you wear a shirt that's not like, that you wouldn't mind being stained. You know, I'm pretty sure if I wash it, it'll wash off, but you just never know. Ooh, yeah. This hair color is giving me makeup ideas. Can you guys see the color? I hope so. This section is getting a little dry, so just gonna spritz some water up in here. Then apply the leave-in. Then I'm gonna start to apply the color. Make sure to get my roots. All right, I have this section left, and I literally used the whole jar. And I'm not sure if I'm supposed to use a whole jar, but that's just what happened, okay? So yeah, hopefully this is enough. No, it'll be enough for the rest of my hair. So just gonna spritz some water. I don't even know why I did my twist so small, y'all. I didn't intend to do it this small, but I don't know, that just happened, I guess. It'll last me longer than usual since I did them this small. Leave-in conditioner. And because I feel like my hair soaks up moisture, my hair be thirst, I like to apply a generous amount. I'm gonna section this just to be consistent with the rest of my hair. It does not have to be this small. And I'm gonna apply the color. Let me tell y'all, this product would be perfect also for a wash and go. If you like doing wash and goes, I would highly recommend this gel-like color. Applying the color to my roots, just twisting as usual. See that color? Like if I was to do a wash and go, this would be like so good. Now I just have a little bit left, but I don't believe in wasting product. This is definitely not gonna be enough for me to do this again. So I'm gonna scrape up all the little extras I have here, see? A glob more, and just refresh any areas that I feel like would need more color. Wow, I love it. All right, let me show you guys the back. Okay, I'm gonna let this air dry overnight, wrap my hair up, and I'll be back tomorrow for the takedown process. All right guys, it's the next day. My hair is completely dry and my face is beat. So let's get down to the takedown, okay? I double wrap my hair because when I get in the shower, I don't want it to get wet. Wow. All right, the color is still vibrant and live. First off, my hair is super defined. This gel, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. The other color, temporary color I tried from L'Oreal did leave my hair kind of dry, but my hair is still moisturized, which is awesome. So as I take down the twist, I am going to separate. You guys know the drill, right? Just a heads up, even after your hair dries, you will experience transfer on your fingers and your hands, but you can wash this out with water and soap. It's easy to wash off, okay? So don't worry about the transfer to the hands too much. Ooh, this hold is super tight. I'm going to have to pick this hair out. This color is popping, y'all. Look. Here's my hair pick. I'm gonna start picking this out and see how I want to style this. Now I really hope the lighting is giving this hair justice. This is a close-up of what it looks like. So pretty. All right, so this is what my hair is looking like. I did go in and wash my hands. The purple on my hands was just really bothering me. Let me tell you, this product, the hold that it gives the curls is just incredible. I think this would be perfect for a wash and go. I do expect my hair to get bigger in a couple of days because you know day one hair is always kind of like tight, you know what I mean? So I like to pin my hair up like this on days one. And what I like most about this gel color is that you don't have to apply heat in order to set it. With my other temporary colors like the L'Oreal one, I had to apply heat. Y'all remember, if you don't, I'll leave it in the description box. I had to apply heat in order for it to take, but this one I didn't have to apply heat, which is great for all my sisters who prefer heat-free hairstyles. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. The products that I used today will be listed in my description box, and make sure to check out Pop Curl's website along with their social media, Instagram, etc. Okay, don't forget to follow me also on all of my social media. Any comments that you have, leave it in the comment section. Any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, thank you for tuning in. Until next time, bye.